BS 5839 Part 1 Fire Detection and Fire Alarm Systems for Buildings is the code of practice for design, installation, commissioning and maintenance of systems in non-domestic premises. The type of system used within a commercial premises can vary massively from a system comprising of 2 manual call points and sounders to a complex addressable system connected to various auxiliary devices and intercommunicating control and indicating panels. Commercial fire alarm systems are split up into different categories. Providing the least responsive level of protection, Category M, simply requires manual call points and sounders installed throughout premises. Next up, a Category P system is to provide early warning of fire in non-domestic premises where there is significant presence of flammable goods or areas in which the risk to property or business continuity from fire is high. This category is split up into 2 sections, P1 and P2. Finally, the objective of a Category L system is to provide automatic fire detection for the protection of life. This category is subdivided into 5 sections, L1, L2, L3, L4 and L5.